Hi, this is Giovanni on behalf of Excellence Teams. Today I'm going to show you our second order form, and the goal is that we get all the information complete so we can go faster with the order. So let's get started with the form. The first box is customer, and on this box fill your name. Then we have labels and hand text. On this example, I'm going to place Excellent Teams, and there's a note here. If first time for labels and hand text, please send us artwork and measurements. Allow an additional of 2 weeks to place labels in your order. So keep that in mind when you are adding labels and hand text for first time. Then we have received date, which is December 21st, the day that you're filling the order. Correct information. We check for things that might be wrong, such as a short tall or John on a size 6. So give us a help and check that for us too. In this case, I put yes. I already checked that there's not correct, that everything is correct. Measurements. In this example, I'll place no. Later on, I will explain the chart that we have for measurements. And then packaging, we'll go with folded on this example. All right, so let's jump into describing the garment. On this box, place a picture of the garment that you would like. On this one, place a picture of the design that you would like. And then on here, just type in the description. And again, try to make sure that it's as clear as possible. So, for this example, I have a bishop dress with angel sleeve and pink rag on sleeve. Fabric white 10-10-746 and pink rag. No rag on bottom of hem and buttons on the back. For smocking, please make zigzag on bottom of chocolate bunny in pink and soft fabric. Make bunny brown with pink ears and pink tail in 3D. So a couple of important things to note here is that I'm adding or asking for angel sleeve. The picture does not have angel sleeve, and that is okay, but just make sure that you specify that so we don't go back and ask for type of sleeve. Then we have rib rack. I'm very clear that I do not want rib rack on bottom hem. The picture has it, that's okay, but I'm putting here that I do not want it. Then I repeat myself with rib rack a couple of times, but I'm just making sure that it's clear. Then another important detail is soft fabric. For the smocking, on this picture we have white smocking, but I want self fabric, and that's very important that you note that since sometimes we have to go back and ask the type of fabric that you would like for the smocking. We have an additional box for additional notes. Garment code, leave this empty, and then for this sample, I want size 2T, so I just press 1 in there. One nice feature about this format is that it auto sums. So therefore, if I press 10 on each one, it will give me a total of 30. So that's a nice feature that makes it easier for production orders. Then we have, let's go into the second example. So I'm gonna go faster on this one. So on this one, I'm thinking about doing an A-line top with pants. For main fabric of top and pants, use 10-10-746 solid white with ruffles and cover buttons in 10-10-508 solid pink. Make an applique for the bunny with a solid pink circle background, chocolate bunny inside circle, and pink ears, eye, and tail. Please assign measurement to the bunny. Important details here, cover buttons. Just make sure that I'm referring to what I want. Now, a nice description of the chocolate bunny. If you have measurements, you can type them in and we can follow them, and we're good to go. On this one, I'm using a size 5-1 for the sample, and that's everything for specifying the order. Now let's jump into the measurement chart, and I'm going to scroll down right now, and here we got into the measurement chart. Oops. Just if you ask yes here that you're going to be sending measurements, down here at the bottom, place the measurements that you would like us to follow. So for example, chest, here are the measurements. Highest point shoulder to bottom, put them in here, and highest point shoulder to crotch, put them in here, and we will follow this measurement. I hope that you guys find this useful. We look forward to work faster and doing a better job. If you have additional questions, do not hesitate to ask and go to our website to look for more information. Thank you and bye bye.